You know how it goes. Your stakeholders want insights from telematics data now, but your dev team is stuck wrangling APIs, building custom exports, or trying to make rigid reports fit shifting business needs. Weeks slip by, and by the time the dashboard is ready, the question has already changed. And that's exactly the pain Navixy IoT Query solves. IoT Query gives you direct, API-less access to all your telematics and business data. Instead of coding against endless endpoints, you just use SQL. Query it like a normal database because it is one. And that means your analysts, IT team, even ML engineers can all work from the same source of truth. And any BI tool that speaks Postgres, it plugs right in. Here's how it works. IoT Query stores all your available data in 3 layers. Bronze, raw unchanged data straight from GPS, CAN bus, sensors, events. Perfect for engineers who need every detail. Silver, processed consistent tables ready for analytics. Analysts can connect Tableau or Power BI and start exploring. Gold, business-ready metrics and KPIs already shaped by rules and models for executives and operations managers who just want answers. Now, this structure means you don't need to choose between raw depth and clean insights. Both are there side by side. And because it's cloud hosted and fully managed, you skip the ETL pipelines, servers, and version headaches. Start with the pilot of 20 vehicles, scale to thousands. IoT Query handles it. Now, let me give you an example. Picture a mid-sized truck manufacturer. They've got CAN bus diagnostics streaming in and maintenance logs scattered across internal systems. Traditionally, merging that data into something useful takes months of custom dev. With IoT Query, they just query across both datasets. Show me trucks likely to need service in the next 30 days based on error codes and past breakdowns. That query runs today. That's predictive maintenance, live, scalable, actionable. And this is only the beginning. Because your schema is fully exposed, you can connect AI copilots or conversational analytics tools that translate natural questions into SQL. Imagine your ops lead asking which depots had the highest idle fuel cost last week and getting an answer instantly. No tickets to IT and no waiting. If you're ready to stop treating telematics data like a byproduct and start using it as a competitive advantage, IoT Query is here. And the good news is you don't have to go it alone. If you want to dive in yourself, we'll train your team to get the most out of your data. Or if speed is what matters, just bring us your project and we'll set it up for you. Either way, you'll start seeing results fast.